class. Good morning. This is teacher LM and welcome back to our class. So everyone, I wish you have a happy Friday. Forget all the bad things you have encountered this week and have a great weekend. So yesterday we talked about the different kinds of landforms. Do you still remember what are these landforms called? Okay, we have here a mountain. Next one, we have a plateau. Next one, we have a plain. So plain, this is the place we live, right? So these are our lesson yesterday. And yesterday also, class, we talked about water. Yes, we talked about water. And water, it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. It has no color, no taste, and does not smell anything. It exists in three forms. Those are solid, liquid, and gas. Again, class, water has three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, it becomes ice, snow, and hail. Liquid, it is lakes, oceans, rain, dew, or mist. And gas, it is a steam or a water vapor. So these are the kinds of solid, liquid, and gas. Now let's study more about water class. Okay, so earlier I told you that water has three forms, right? So there are solid, liquid, and gas. So these are examples of those water forms. Okay, for example, this one, it is an ice. Okay, so ice is example of solid. And next one, this is a hail. This one class. Okay, a hail, it comes from the sky. It falls from the sky. So a hail, it is example of solid also. All right, so this one, it is a liquid. This is called a dew. Okay, this is a water dew that is liquid. And this one class, it is a vapor. Okay, vapor, water from the ocean stays in the cloud. That is example of vapor. Next one class, we have an ocean. Okay, ocean is an example of liquid. Next, we have a snow. And snow is example of solid. Okay, and last picture class, we have a steam. And steam example of gas. Okay, again, what are the names of this picture class? This is an ice, this is a hail, this is a dew, a vapor, an ocean, a snow, and a steam. So these are examples of water. Okay, now let's talk about the water cycle. So water cycle class has three processes. Okay, so from the ocean or from the lake, you call it as a collection. And if the water goes up to the sky, forms into an air that is called evaporation. And after evaporation class, it stays in the cloud. Okay, that is called condensation. Okay, so if the water stays in the cloud, that is called condensation. And if the water goes down back through the rain, that is precipitation. That process is called precipitation. Again, class, collection, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Now let's practice. Okay, so I told you earlier that there are three processes of water. So from the water from the ocean, that is called collection, and it goes up, it is called evaporation. And evaporation, the water stays in the cloud, that is called condensation. And if the cloud is already full and it becomes a water, that process is called precipitation. Again, class, the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Okay, so that would be all for this morning class. I hope you learned something new from our lesson 2 today. This is Teacher LM, and I hope you have a good day.